Handicraft. In this video, I will teach you buttonhole wheel stitch. For that, use this circle as a stitch line. Bring the needle out through A, pass it in through B and take it out through C to make a first buttonhole stitch. Bring the needle out through A, pass it in through B and take it out through C. And take it out through C. Before pulling the needle, warp the thread around the needle. Pull out the needle towards the down to get a knot at the point B. Now pass the needle in through D and again take it out to the same stitch point C. Pass the needle in through D and take it out through the same stitch point E. Before pulling the needle, warp the thread around the needle. Pull out the thread towards down to get a stitch point, to get a knot at the stitch point D. Continue the process of the buttonhole stitch in the stitch line and the stitch point C. Complete the stitch, pass the needle in the stitch point 1 and take it out to C to get a last buttonhole stitch. Pass the needle over the last buttonhole stitch to finish the buttonhole wheel. This is how the buttonhole wheel stitch looks like. Thanks for watching DP Handicraft. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the new video notification.